Did you know that the total value of all cryptocurrencies is now greater than the GDP of India? Well, if you'd like to swap out some of that digital dough for a taste of India's tantalizing tandoori, you're in the right place. Yes, you heard that right. The world of cryptocurrencies has exploded in recent years, amassing a wealth that's outshone even the GDP of the seventh largest economy in the world, India. It's a fact that's as mind-boggling as it is surprising, and it's this unexpected pairing of crypto wealth and Indian economy that we are going to explore today. You see, India is not just about the spicy curries, colorful festivals, and the Taj Mahal. It's a country that's rapidly embracing the digital revolution, and cryptocurrencies are no exception. Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Mumbai or exploring the ancient temples of Varanasi, all while using your digital wallet. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? But you may wonder, is it even possible to spend my hard-earned bitcoins on a trip to India? The answer is a resounding yes. India's growing tech scene has made it one of the emerging hotspots for crypto transactions. From booking flights and hotels to dining out at a fancy restaurant or even buying a traditional Indian sari, you can do it all with your crypto coins. And here's the kicker. Not only does this open up a whole new world of travel possibilities, but it also gives you the chance to support local businesses and contribute to India's growing economy. It's a win-win situation, really. You get to enjoy the rich cultural experiences that India has to offer, while also being part of the futuristic world of cryptocurrencies. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast looking to diversify your spending, or simply a curious traveler keen on trying something new, India could very well be your next crypto adventure. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the vibrant streets of India, all while spending your crypto coins. Navigating the Indian market with crypto is like trying to ride a rickshaw through Mumbai's rush hour. It's chaotic, colorful, and full of unexpected turns. Just like Mumbai's infamous traffic, the Indian economy is a bustling blend of the traditional and the modern. A vibrant hub of commerce where the old and the new coexist. It's a place where you can see a roadside vendor accepting digital payments while the high-end boutique next door sticks to cash-only transactions. This is the paradox that makes the Indian market a fascinating terrain for crypto enthusiasts. What makes this journey even more interesting is the roller coaster ride that cryptocurrency has taken in India. One day, it's the future of finance. The next, it's on the verge of being banned. It's like trying to cross the road in Delhi. You never know what's coming at you next. But fret not. For every challenge, there's an opportunity. Though the Indian government has been skeptical about cryptocurrencies, the public's enthusiasm for digital assets is palpable. With over 5 million crypto users, India ranks among the top 10 countries in terms of cryptocurrency usage. So while you might have to do a bit of searching to find a chaiwala who accepts Bitcoin, rest assured they do exist. And let's not forget about the Indian tech-savvy diaspora, which has been instrumental in driving the growth of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies in the country. These tech pioneers are creating a new digital economy, and they're just getting started. So whether you're looking to buy a sari, sip on some masala chai, or just eat your weight in samosas, there's a good chance you'll be able to do it with crypto. Yes, navigating the Indian crypto landscape can be as unpredictable as an auto rickshaw ride through Mumbai's crowded streets. But with a sense of humor, a dash of patience, and a taste for adventure, you'll find that it's a thrilling ride worth taking. But don't worry, with a little bit of patience and a dash of adventure, you'll be spending your bitcoins on biryanis in no time. Ever thought you'd be buying your butter chicken with Bitcoin? Welcome to the future. Now let's take a bite into India's food scene, where the spices are hot and the crypto's hotter. It's a world where the sizzle of a tandoori kebab meets the hum of blockchain technology. It's as if someone threw a masala dosa into a computer and out popped a Bitcoin, right? Imagine walking into a dhaba, the quintessential Indian roadside eatery. You're hit with the intoxicating aroma of spices and the sizzling sound of pakoras in hot oil. You order a plate of spicy biryani or maybe a comforting dal fry with buttery naan. Now, traditionally, you'd pay with cash or maybe a card, but this isn't your grandmother's dhaba. This is Dhaba 2.0, where the only thing more modern than the payment methods are the fusion dishes. Now you might be thinking, cryptocurrency at a dhaba, isn't that like bringing a space rocket to a horse race? Well, in a country that's home to both the world's largest population of vegetarians and one of the most tech-savvy youth populations, it's not as far-fetched as it sounds. To pay with crypto, it's as easy as scanning a QR code with your digital wallet. And it's not just the dhabas. From five-star restaurants in Mumbai to quaint cafes in the hills of Himachal, cryptocurrency is finding its place on the menu. Of course, not every eatery in India accepts Bitcoin or Ethereum, but the list is growing every day. And let's not forget about the crypto food delivery apps. Yes, you heard it right. Even your late-night butter naan and chicken tikka can be paid with Bitcoin. So, while the idea of paying for a samosa with Satoshi may seem strange now, with the way things are going, it won't be long before it's as commonplace as ordering a chai with your phone. So, next time you're craving a curry, don't forget your digital wallet. Scene script. India is a land of contrasts, where ancient temples stand side by side with cutting-edge technology. And yes, that includes your precious crypto. Picture this. You're in the heart of Mumbai, surrounded by a cacophony of honking rickshaws, bustling markets, and the faint scent of street food wafting through the air. On one side, you see an intricately carved temple, a testament to India's rich cultural history. On the other, a sleek glass building housing one of the many tech startups that are sprouting like monsoon mushrooms across the country. And in this symphony of sights and sounds, what's that you see? A small sign in the corner of a shop window, Bitcoin accepted here. Yes, my friend, the world of cryptocurrency has found its place in India's vibrant tapestry of tradition and modernity. It's a bit like ordering a chai latte with almond milk, isn't it? A classic Indian beverage given a modern twist. It's the same with crypto in India. You might be taken aback by the sight of a turbaned shopkeeper accepting Bitcoin on his smartphone. But that's just the way it is in this land of contrasts. The ancient and the modern don't just coexist here, they thrive together. You see, India's relationship with cryptocurrency is as complex as its famous spice blends. There's a dash of skepticism, a sprinkle of curiosity, and a generous helping of innovation. It's a recipe that's constantly evolving, just like the country itself. And it's not just in the bustling cities. Venture into the rural heartland, and you might find a farmer trading in Ethereum, or a weaver selling her exquisite saris for Litecoin. The digital revolution is not just confined to the Silicon Valleys of India, it's spreading its tendrils far and wide. So whether you're praying for a bull market at a temple or buying souvenirs with Satoshi, remember, in India, tradition and technology go hand in hand. So there you have it, folks. Spending crypto in India is like a spicy masala chai. It might seem overwhelming at first, but once you get a taste, you'll be hooked. Just like the rich tapestry of Indian culture, the crypto scene is a whirlwind of vibrant opportunities and surprising twists. From the bustling marketplaces where you can barter with Bitcoin, to the exquisite restaurants where your ether can earn you a feast, we've navigated through it all. It's been a roller coaster ride, hasn't it? But isn't that what makes it so exciting? Remember when we started this journey, the unlikely pairing of crypto and India seemed like a mystery waiting to be unraveled. But as we delved deeper, we discovered a thriving crypto ecosystem ready to welcome us with open arms. Navigating the Indian market with crypto was a challenge, sure, but with a little know-how, we managed to turn even the trickiest transactions into a triumph. The secret, understanding the lay of the land and being ready to adapt. After all, in the world of crypto, the only constant is change. Dining with digital dough was another adventure in itself. Who knew that a few clicks and swipes could transform into a plate of piping hot biryani or a refreshing mango lassi? It's truly a testament to how far we've come in the digital age. And let's not forget our journey from temples to technology. India, a country steeped in history and tradition, is also a burgeoning hub for blockchain and crypto. It's a beautiful blend of the old and the new, a testament to the country's resilience and adaptability. So, as we wrap up our trip through India with crypto in our digital wallets, let's take a moment to appreciate the chaos. Because it's in this chaos that we find excitement, opportunity, and a glimpse into the future of global commerce. And if you enjoyed this wild ride through the world of crypto and curry, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deliciously digital adventures.